Hey, what's up? Crate here, and I want to tell you guys about a light I just picked up and I'm super excited to have because it's been back ordered for a while. It seemed to be coming back in stock more regularly now, but it took me a while to get it. And as you've already seen the title, you already know what it is. I have it right here. This is the Aputure MC RGB WW light. I'm assuming RGB white, as in it has two different diodes, LED diodes for white, so you can go cool or warm, and obviously RGB. To break it down, the Aputure MC is a highly color accurate light that is super portable, RGB obviously, and very versatile. And to make this clear, this is not a review. I'm not really a reviewer. I just like bringing gear and showing gear that I think is very useful for the kind of stuff that I do. Alright, let's get into it. First off, we want to talk about what this light comes with. Alright, so inside the box, the first thing you'll see is the light. I've obviously already used it, so it's not in there anymore. But it comes with the carrying case, which, wow, that was loud. So it comes with the carrying case, which in my opinion is a little bit big, but I understand why. But it's super useful. It's got a belt loop as well as a carabiner style clip. It's zippered. I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not, but the back pocket has space for you to put the light in, and then the front pocket has the silicone diffuser, which is really nice because it has a little space between the light and the front of the silicone, so it helps diffuse it more. And then it comes with a USB cable and two 3M Velcro, so I'm assuming you can stick this light somewhere in case that I guess you can't magnetize it. In the bottom of the box is an instruction manual, but no one ever reads those. One other thing that the light kind of comes with is an app. I'm not going to go into it too much. I have heard that it's useful, but when I'm out places and running guns, I don't really have time to fiddle with an app. But I guess for the kind of YouTube stuff and stationary stuff, it'd be super useful to have. Go ahead and watch someone else's review if you want to learn how that app works well. Alright, I'm going to break down the reasons why I pretty much had to have this light. Reason number one is going to be its size. It's about the same size as a credit card, obviously a little thicker due to its air vents, heat vents, whatever you want to call them, in order to keep it cool. Build quality is awesome because it's got a metal-ish type front and its back is a little bit plastic, so it's like half and half. It feels really solid and durable, and yeah, I mean, what else can you say? It's small and it's portable. Reason number two is going to be for its magnets. I think every portable light should have this. Most of them don't, but it's got two very strong magnets in the back that can stick to a lot of stuff. I put it under my desk and just had it kind of give me some feet light whenever I need to. I put it on my wall at a corner where I found a stud, so it's strong enough to stay put on a wall, which is awesome. You know, for a lot of shoots that I do that have cars and stuff like that, it's awesome to be able to put it on a car and it'll stick to a car. And light stands, camera stands. I could even put it on an air vent or pretty much anything that's magnetic. Metal. Magnetic? You know what I mean. The fourth reason is pretty much a given for any portable light, but I just do want to mention that it is mountable. It's got a quarter 20 screw on the bottom, so you can screw that into almost anything, a hot shoe adapter or a little small tripod, so it can be used, or even a light stand, and it can be used wherever you need a light. The fifth reason is going to be huge, especially for what I do, and that's the effects. So I know my 120D has a couple of effects like paparazzi, lightning, fireworks. That's what I mean. And it's gonna have that, but the added function of being RGB means that when you have fireworks or different effects, they can also incorporate lighting or different colors, so you're gonna get a lot more use out of its effects. The police car effect is the number one thing that I really wanted in a light, because that can be used in a lot of like scenes or even in music videos. So I'm really happy to have that. Fireplace one is also another really cool one. That's what really makes this light versatile and lets you get a lot of stuff done. The next thing I just want to touch into is its charging. It does have a USB-C port. Thank you, Aputure, for making it that way. Everything should be going USB-C. The one thing that is a little bit weird is that it came with a USB-C to USB-B 3.0 cable, and I don't know why it needs 3.0, but yeah, that's what it comes with. I guess it'd be cool if it was like USB-C to USB-C, but I guess more people have USB-B like wall ports. Anyways, the next thing is that it is also wirelessly charged, so key charging, QI charging, however you want to say it. That will work with a power bank, but it will get a little hot. And the last point I want to make that is pretty important to most people is the price point. This light comes in at 90 bucks. You definitely shouldn't pay more for it. If you see those on Amazon for more, don't pick them up. Get them for 90 bucks. You can get them pretty much anywhere now. B&H, I think I got mine from Adorama at the time. 90 bucks, great deal. Pretty much any other portable light that I've had has cost more and has had the same, if not less, functionality as this light, so it's a no-brainer. I don't have too many negative things to say about this light. Obviously it's not as bright or as powerful as my 120D, but the one thing I did notice is the little knobs and stuff are not the easiest to get around with the menus. Obviously, if you use the app, it's going to be pretty easy to do whatever you want, but just from moving around and fiddling with it, going back and forward and changing things is a little bit tedious. It's understandable because of the size of the light and, you know, how many buttons you can really put into it and how big the screen is, but it's just something I noticed. With that being said, and the amount that I'm gonna use this light, I definitely want more. So what I'm saying is if you have a piece of gear that is this useful and this portable, it's a no-brainer. I hope this video helped anyone that's looking into this light to really decide if that's what they want to get. I definitely recommend it, and I will be trying to pick up more of these. Y'all have a good one. See ya.